kind of a rectangle here.
So told Pixie want to take the study. Answer it. Pixie, take them.
Can you see if these fit in yours?
No,
I'm really gonna have to.
These are too short though.
You know, it's just to have to cope with the levels. It's just bad. You might not even put this up. So I'm playing on my time and I'm playing skywars.
You know, best friend was singing well. Then you just looked at me and I was just like,
Well, yeah. Hey, man.
Exactly, it was
As you
like
can see, I have really low FPS.
Oh, my song. Oh, that's not my song.
I love this song.
Who sings that song?
Right, like,
Who was it singing it?
Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande sounds like
Mariah Carey.
She sounds like Mariah Carey so much.
But she's so amazing at singing.
She's amazing. Live as well. Live is so good.
Ariana Grande.
Can you put it on the way instead? The way.
So I failed.
Oh, don't kill me.
I failed. So I'm just testing this piece. So it's not bad.
Oh. Hey, don't
There was someone that tried to do a cover of that. Oh my god, it was so bad. They were like, don't rap that da da da. Hey, don't rap that da da da.
So Caribbean.
Don't drop that dun dun dun. Hey.
Don't
Don't drop that dun. Oh, these yeah nice and you actually twerking in the middle of the playground.
Oh, damn, it's gonna be Scots.
You know what we're not allowed to do?
Right, that is
We're not allowed to put in photos in our books.
why.
They show.
Don't drop that dun dun dun. Da da da. Who made up that song?
No.
Zach, I'm taking out your things.
No, Belinda, no, don't.
No, because I need to charge the laptop. Like, you've been charging it for long.
Not really. It's
Don't
only
take out mine.
13%.
But what percent is it?
13.
Hey, you've taken off mine.
Because you're using it while charging it. That's your own fault.
And
Go in the other bedroom then.
no, why can't you think of
What percent is mine? Fine.
It's gonna be so.
I need to
I don't know why I was in love with this song last week.
I like this song.
No, I'm playing my.
Anyway.
That song's actually stupid. When you listen to the first verse, second verse, it just gets boring. Because there's no point actually listening to it.
Do you have pen and paper?
Yeah,
Do you have pen and paper?
Oh.
No. Oh. Yes.
there you are. Do you have another pair?
Oh, Fluffy, did you go downstairs? Oh, can you get Daddy's headphones, please, please, I beg, please, I beg, please, I beg. I wanna kiss you on the pink, play everywhere.